Yo, what's up everybody? It's your man Raid here, back with another video, and this one's gonna be huge. We're talking travel, adventure, and escaping the mundane. Grammar! You heard that right, grammar. I know what you're thinking, grammar. Like the rules of language, what's there to see? Trust me on this one. This isn't your high school English class, this is the real deal. Hidden gems, breathtaking landscapes, food that'll make your taste buds sing, and experiences that'll redefine vacation. So buckle up, grab your notebooks because class is in session. By the end of this video, you'll be booking a one-way ticket to grammar, guaranteed. Let's do this. Discover the best places to visit, stay, and explore in the upcoming year. From breathtaking attractions to luxurious hotels, we've got you covered. Get ready to plan your dream vacation. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about the main attractions in grammar. We're not talking about boring old landmarks here, no sir. First up, we've got the majestic Verb Valley. Next we're heading to the Noun Mountains, and of course no trip to grammar would be complete without a visit to Adjective Alley. So yeah, grammar's got a lot to offer. Alright, now that we've covered some of the top attractions, you're probably wondering where to rest your head after a long day of exploring the wonders of grammar. Don't worry, I got you covered. Grammar's got a range of accommodation options that would satisfy even the pickiest traveller. If you're looking for luxury, look no further than the Grand Conjugation Hotel. This 5-star establishment sits right on the edge of Verb Valley, offering stunning views and unparalleled service. For something a little more cozy and quaint, check out the Cozy Claws Cottage. Nestled in the heart of Adjective Alley, this charming bed and breakfast is all about personalized service and attention to detail. Now, if you're on a budget, don't worry. The participle hostel is a favorite among backpackers and budget travelers. It's a vibrant and social place where you can meet fellow grammar enthusiasts from all over the world. And if you're looking for a romantic getaway, look no further than the Syntax Suites. So yeah, whether you're looking for luxury, budget-friendly options, or something completely off the wall, grammar's got a place for you. Okay, so you've hit the main attractions, you've got your accommodation sorted. Now it's time to dive a little deeper to discover the heart and soul of grammar. These are the must-visit spots, the places that'll stay with you long after you've left. First on the list is the Whispering Woods of Words. This ancient forest is said to be where language itself was born. Legend has it that if you stand perfectly still and listen closely, you can hear the whispers of ancient stories, poems, and even the faint echoes of forgotten languages. Then there's the Punctuation Plaza. This lively square is the heart of Grammar City, a bustling hub of activity where you'll find street performers, artists, musicians, and of course plenty of opportunities to practice your punctuation skills. And no trip to grammar would be complete without a visit to the Grammar Museum. This fascinating museum takes you on a journey through the history of language, from ancient hieroglyphics to modern-day emojis. But the real magic of grammar lies beyond the city walls. Rent a car and take a drive along the sentence scenic route. These are just a few of the must-visit spots that make grammar truly special. Alright guys, now it's time to get off the beaten path, to delve into the lesser-known corners of grammar, the hidden gems that most tourists never get to see. Trust me, these are the experiences that'll make your trip truly unforgettable. First up, we're heading to the metaphorical maze. This hidden garden is a labyrinth of symbolism and figurative language. Each path represents a different metaphor, leading you on a journey of discovery and interpretation. Next, we're venturing into the Simile Swamp. Don't let the name fool you, this place is enchanting. Boardwalks wind through the swamp, each turn revealing a new and surprising comparison. For a truly unique experience, check out the oxymoron oasis. This desert oasis is a study in contradictions. And if you're a fan of the unexpected, you can't miss the paradoxical peaks. These towering peaks seem to change shape depending on your perspective. And for a truly off-the-grid adventure, grab a map and head to the Alliteration Archipelago. These hidden gems are just a taste of the secrets that grammar holds. So you're probably wondering, when is the best time to book my ticket to grammar? Well, like any good sentence, timing is everything. For those who love vibrant colors and bustling energy, the present continuous spring is your time to shine. If you prefer a more relaxed and introspective vibe, consider visiting during the past perfect summer. And if you're a fan of cozy nights and festive cheer, then the future perfect winter is calling your name. No matter what time of year you choose to visit, Grammar has something special to offer. All right, all this talk about Grammar is making me hungry. Good thing Grammar is a foodie's paradise, with a diverse culinary scene that'll tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. For a taste of local flavor, head to the Conjugation Cafe. This charming bistro serves up traditional Grammar cuisine with dishes like passive voice pot roast and subjunctive stew. Make sure to try their signature dessert, the Imperative Ice Cream Sundae, a decadent treat that's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. If you're looking for fine dining, book a table at the Syntax Supper Club. This elegant restaurant boasts stunning views of the Noun Mountains and a menu that changes daily, featuring fresh, seasonal ingredients. For a more casual dining experience, check out the Adjective Alley Eatery. This lively spot is a favorite among locals and tourists alike, with a menu that's as diverse and colorful as the alley itself. And for a quick bite on the go, grab a prepositional pizza from the Parts of Speech Pizzeria. No matter what your taste or budget, Grammar has a restaurant to satisfy your cravings. Now, we all know that truly experiencing a new place goes beyond just ticking off tourist attractions. It's about immersing yourself in the local culture, understanding the nuances of language, and connecting with the people who call this place home. In Grammar, language isn't just a means of communication, it's an art form, a way of life. To truly appreciate the culture, you need to dive into the local lingo to embrace the quirks and complexities that make Grammar's language so unique. Start by attending a performance at the Linguistic Lyceum. This historic theatre hosts a variety of shows, from traditional grammar plays to experimental language performances. Then head to the Slang Speakeasy for a taste of the local nightlife. This hidden gem is where locals gather to share stories, jokes, and of course the latest slang. For a more hands-on experience, sign up for a grammar workshop. Remember, language is the key to unlocking the heart of any culture. All right, adventurers and grammar enthusiasts, it's time to lace up those hiking boots, strap on your backpacks and explore the great outdoors of Grammar. From breathtaking landscapes to adrenaline-pumping activities, Grammar offers a diverse range of outdoor adventures that'll get your heart racing and your mind buzzing. First up, we're tackling the Verb Valley via Ferrata. This challenging climb will have you scaling sheer rock faces, traversing narrow ridges and rappelling down waterfalls of verbs. Don't worry, experienced guides are there every step of the way to ensure your safety and provide encouragement. The view from the top is absolutely breathtaking, offering panoramic vistas of the entire region. Next, we're kayaking through the Adjective Archipelago, paddle through crystal clear waters, marvel at the vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life, and explore hidden coves and secluded beaches. For a more relaxed outdoor experience, go for a scenic bike ride along the sentence scenic route. And if you're feeling adventurous, try your hand at prepositional paragliding. No matter what your adventure style is, Grammar has something to offer. All right, shopaholics and souvenir hunters, it's time to whip out those wallets and explore the unique shopping scene of Grammar. From quirky boutiques to bustling markets, Grammar offers a treasure trove of linguistic loot and one-of-a-kind finds. First stop, we're hitting up Adjective Alley. This vibrant street is a shopper's paradise, with boutiques overflowing with colourful clothing, handmade jewellery and unique home decor. You'll find everything from quirky t-shirts emblazoned with grammar jokes to elegant scarves adorned with literary quotes. Next, we are venturing into the Noun Bazaar. This bustling market is a feast for the senses, with vendors hawking everything from spices and textiles to handmade crafts and antiques. For bookworms and language enthusiasts, a visit to the Lexicon Library is a must. This multi-story bookstore is a haven for bibliophiles, with shelves upon shelves of new and used books in every genre imaginable. And for those seeking truly unique and quirky gifts, head to the Punctuation Emporium. No matter what your shopping style or budget, Grammar has something to offer. All right, fellow adventurers, before we wrap up our journey through Grammar, let's go over some essential travel tips to ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip. Consider this your crash course in navigating the language of adventure in Grammar. First things first, pack light. Remember, you'll be doing a lot of exploring, so a comfortable pair of shoes and versatile clothing are key. And don't forget a good grammar guidebook. You never know when you might need to brush up on your subjunctive mood or your dangling participles. When it comes to getting around, grammar offers a variety of options. Public transportation is readily available and affordable, with buses, trains, and even cable cars connecting the major attractions. Renting a car is also a great option if you prefer to explore at your own pace. Speaking of language, while the official language of grammar is English, you'll encounter a delightful mix of dialects and slang. When it comes to money matters, the local currency is the grammagram. Finally, and most importantly, be open to new experiences. And that's a wrap. We've explored the top attractions, uncovered hidden gems, tasted delicious food, and even learned a thing or two about grammar along the way. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to book a one-way ticket to grammar right now. Whether you're a language enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or simply looking for a unique and unforgettable travel experience, grammar has something for everyone. So start planning your trip today and get ready to discover the magic of language like you've never imagined. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides and tips. Safe travels!